Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we'll be looking at the story of Khidr alayhi salam again. And we'll be answering the question that why Khidr alayhi salam was selected or chosen to drink from the fountain of life. And does that mean he became an immortal? Now let me first get to the second question, because that has come on TikTok a lot more than it came on our YouTube video. That how is it possible that somebody living on the planet Earth has an immortal life? Now that is a misconception. Drinking from the fountain of life doesn't make Khidr alayhi salam immortal. It just gives him a longer span of life. That's why, as I told you, that this person will not die until this person asks Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the death. But that doesn't mean this person will live forever. Living forever is something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created for human beings in Jannah, not on the planet Earth. On the planet Earth, everybody has to die at a certain point in time. Could live 1,000,000 years, or could live 1,000 years, could live 100 years, or could live 2 years, doesn't matter. However long Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants an individual to live, will live, and then eventually will die. So Khidr alayhi salam will eventually die. Now let's come to the next question. Why Khidr alayhi salam was chosen for this? Abu Hatim Sajistani brings a narration that Adam alayhi salam, near his death, brought all his sons and said that there'll come a time when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send a massive flood on earth. Most of the humans will wipe out except the ones who are riding in a ship. Now, referring to the flood of Noah. And then he said, when that time comes, make sure you take my body, which you will bury, or your offspring, and put it on that ship. When that ship will reach the mountain, you should take my body and bury it in the land of Syria, which is called Syria or Sham. So this body and its location remained as an open information among the children of Adam alayhi salam, and this information was passed generation after generation after generation, till the time of Noah, or Nuh alayhi salam came. Nuh alayhi salam at that time took the body of Adam alayhi salam and put it on that ship. And that ship sailed through the flood. And when it was time for this ship to stop, it stopped at a jabal called Jodi, at a mount of Jodi. And then Nuh alayhi salam told his sons, Sam, Ham, and Yafith, that Adam alayhi salam instructed that after the flood is over to take the body of Adam alayhi salam and bury it. But all three sons said that we are unaware of this particular area. We have no idea what directions to take to get to the proper location which Adam alayhi salam had stated. How about if we take this body and keep it with us for now until humanity have spread again and we can find our ways from one location to another without a problem, and then we will bury it. So they did not bury him in the location that Adam alayhi salam wanted to be buried. And they said also that most of the land right now is very wet. We should wait for all of this to settle down. Upon hearing this answer from his sons, Nuh alayhi salam said, Adam alayhi salam made dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that whoever will bury him, Allah will give him a very long life. Anyway, this body of Adam alayhi salam stayed with Nuh alayhi salam and his children until the time of Khidr alayhi salam came. Khidr alayhi salam took the responsibility of burying the body of Adam alayhi salam. He took it to that spot where Adam alayhi salam wanted to be buried, and he buried him. As a result of Adam alayhi salam's dua, Khidr alayhi salam was shown that fountain of life when he was going on expedition with Zulqarnain. So he was the only one who found it, and he drank from it. And this story is mentioned, as I told you, through Abu Hatim Sajistani in Kitab al-Mu'ammirin, volume number 1, page number 1, and Al-Bidaya wa Nihaya, volume 1, page 326. also in Qasas al-Anbiya, pages 518, 519 in volume number 2, and in Ruh al-Ma'ani, which is a famous work of tafsir, in volume number 15, page number 322. And some people are of this viewpoint that, maybe the Fountain of Life story is something that is made up. However, it is not, because it comes in so many books. I've already given you so many references where this particular story comes. Well, till next time, when we will talk more about the story of Khidr alayhi salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.